If you love smoothies and need a blender that's compact, powerful, and easy to use, you're in the right place. Here are the 5 best mini blenders for smoothies you should check out. 1. Nutribullet Pro 900. First up, the Nutribullet Pro 900. Known for its powerful 900-watt motor, it crushes fruits, veggies, and even ice with ease. It's perfect for creamy smoothies, protein shakes, and nut butters, making it a must-have for anyone serious about nutrition. 2. Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Next is the Ninja Blast Portable Blender. This one is all about portability. With a rechargeable battery and compact design, you can make smoothies at work, the gym, or while traveling. Just charge it up, blend on the go, and enjoy fresh smoothies anytime. 3. Beast Mega 1200 Blender. At number 3, the Beast Mega 1200 Blender. Sleek, stylish, and powerful, this blender is built for those who want both design and durability. With its 1200-watt motor, it creates silky smooth blends in seconds. Plus, it looks amazing on any kitchen counter. Fourth on the list is the Zwilling Enfinigy Personal Blender. German-engineered for precision, this blender comes with sharp, durable blades and smart technology to give you perfect blends every single time. It's compact but mighty, ideal for daily use. 5. Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender. Finally, the Cuisinart Soho Personal Blender. Affordable, efficient, and easy to use, this is a great choice for beginners or anyone looking for a no-fuss smoothie maker. With its simple one-touch blending, you'll have refreshing smoothies in seconds. That's it for the 5 best mini blenders for smoothies. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.